Here's the wheelchair ramp that I'm getting ready to build. And let's just start off with the slab and the existing house wall right here. So it just shows how high off the ground the door is. And then what I'm doing with this little slab will make more sense once I start turning layers on. So it's about 3 foot here to start on the ramp. So let's look at the framing on this ramp. That's what the framing does right there. And then it'll come over here and there'll just be stairs on this side. And that doesn't make sense right now, but let me turn the posts on. Okay, now it makes sense. This is how I want the posts to go. This is the location of the posts, all the framing. And what this decking looks like is like this. So that, I think that makes sense now why I'm pouring the little slab like that. And I wanted an edge all the way along the bottom, a concrete edge. So when you run the lawnmower across there, the wheel just rides up on that and cuts the grass nice and flush. So nothing can get under the ramp and die. Okay. So it's a little bit over a 112 slope, but I did not want to bring the ramp past the house right here because uh, there's a big hill right here. And anyway, you can't really tell why from this little wall I built, I sketched up, but I'm not bringing the ramp past this point. So that's why I'm having to go with that slope. So then once the ramp is on, then we'll do the railing. The guardrail will look like this. Okay. The reason why the ramp is so wide, it's like a little bit more, it's like 5'3" wide. That way you can start the wheelchair there, go up, up, up. Then when you get there, you have plenty of room to turn and go into the house. Okay. And then I'm planning on a handrail on both sides. Handrail up the stairs on both sides, handrail into the wall. And of course the handrail is going to return back into the wall right there. I just didn't draw it like that, and it will be on brackets, but I did not draw the brackets in. And the only thing I did not mention was how I'm going to attach these posts into the ground. I forgot to model on the post bases, but they'll just be the post bases going down into the little concrete spot footings. And so it should be pretty sturdy, and it should be pretty safe once it's done. And I think that's going to solve the problem for the back of the house here. So once I have pictures up or video showing me framing it, it'll make more sense why I designed it this way. So thank you for watching.